Walter, my man, how you doing, buddy? I have to tell you, it was a breath of fresh air speaking with you today. I love that you are yourself. I deal with a lot of clients that try to be all professional and not be their true self. And at the end of the day, I want you to be you. If you can't be you and open up and be the person that you are with your awesome, glowing personality, then it's just not a good fit for me. So, like I said, I'd love to work with you, Walter, man. You're awesome. Again, I help local construction companies, local roofing companies. I help them increase their online presence. And what that does is helps them rank higher, helps them rank higher on Google. And the higher you rank, the more traffic you're going to drive. The more traffic you drive, the more clients you bring in, and the more money you make. And at the end of the day, my goal is to help you. If you don't win, I don't win. I can't win unless you win. So that's the purpose of this video. A lot of times people won't hire a digital marketing expert because they don't know who's an expert and who's not. So that's why I want to show you this video. I won't waste any more of your time. I'll get right to it. I threw you a little follow in here. I'm following you now. Kicked you a couple likes in on your photos too. But, just like that gentleman we was talking about earlier, he could come on here and have some of his friends get on here and they can report this page and, Facebook will take it down. And a lot of times I've had clients that's ran Facebook ads and they've lost their site and it is hell trying to get it back up. So with the website, no one's going to take it from you. That's yours. You buy it. You purchase it. That's an asset that you will put your money into to generate extra money. So what I've done is this is the second in the map pack in your city, and then Don Kennedy Roofing is first. So what I've done is I put them in my little web crawler tool I've got up here, and I'm going to show you that here in a second. But I just want to show you these websites. They're pretty clean, but they're lacking SEO too, and SEO is search engine optimization. Fancy word for saying, I know what Google wants. These people could actually use some help too, but they're already on the first page, so I don't even bother with them. Don't have anything bad or negative to say about them, but I like the underdogs. I like the guys on the back pages. I like to work with those clients and help them get up here and outrank these people and push them out of the way. But, that's what I'm essentially think that will work better for you. If you got a website, it'll generate more traffic if you can put things in here that you need. So on your home page, it needs to be about 1,500 to 2,000 words of command content. And as you can see there, they don't have that many words on here. There's not a lot of content on here. But Google wants to see 1,500 to 2,000 because they have bots that scour these sites 24/7 trying to find keywords. And keywords is just things that people will search in order to find a business like roofing, Nashville, Tennessee, or construction, Nashville, Tennessee. So you want to have your homepage with 1,500 to 2,000 words, and then, Walter, we can get you some services put up here. Any and everything that you can do, we'll put on here. And then these need to have 500 to 750 words of command content on them as well. And again, that's for the Google bots to crawl through here, check out these photos, check out all the words in here, and they're just trying to find content that is correlating to what people are searching. So if we put the areas that you want to focus on in your content, anybody from the cities that you're trying to target, they are going to your site's going to pop up first. So like these guys here, anybody in Nashville that's searching roofing, Nashville, Tennessee, anybody searching roofing, Nashville, Tennessee, these guys are popping up first. And I kind of want to show you here, they're getting almost 400 people a month to their site, driving extra income because of their organic keywords. And again, organic keywords are buyer intent keywords like Nashville roofing companies. When someone types that in, they're usually looking for work to be done. Roofers, Nashville, Tennessee. So we need to make you a site that has these buyer intent keywords in them. As you see, just these 2 words on your page right here, if we put those in your content, that's got a volume of 1,200 searches per month. And these guys are getting, what, 400 of them? 400 extra people a month is coming to their site. So just think, Walter, if 400 people come to your site and you can just close 10 of them, that's 10 jobs more that you're going to have a month. And like I said, it's going to generate more revenue. This is number 1 and number 2 in your city. And as you see, the organic traffic brings and increases value. These numbers are off. I think the traffic value is actually a little bit higher, but they do pay per click right here, PPC, times those 2 together. But anyway, like I said, if you can get 10% of this traffic, or even 5%, that's 30 extra customers a month, and their jobs and services is just going to increase your overall income. So another thing that people do is they have backlinks, and backlinks is simply just like Yelp. So when I clicked on your Facebook website on Yelp, it took me to your place right here. So that's a backlink. It links from Yelp to here. So that's exactly what a backlink is. And what it does, it gives you power to your site. This is power. This is trust. So you've got the 1,500, 2,000 words of content on your home page that you got to get on there, 5 to 750 words on your back pages. And then you need to get some backlinks. We can help you with that. And I can show you exactly what to do. This web crawler tool actually tells me where they get all their backlinks from. And then what I could do is go in here and go to these websites and put your company in there, and it'll link back to your page, giving you more power, telling more people that you are important and that they need to be searching your site, and you will have organic traffic that comes to your site. Your website should get about 70% of your business, and your Google Map Pack should be getting about 30%. And what that is the reason for that is a lot of times when people come to these searches and they're looking for people to come out and do work for them, they're going to pick somebody off of here and they're going to go with it. So that's what I'm saying. It's important to get up on this map pack or get down here in this organic search. Music City Roofers, all these are ads, so these really don't count. There's your buddy Yelp. That isn't doing anything for anybody but taking your money and don't care about you. And again, Walter, the only way I win is if you win. The way these guys win is they take your money and they're done with you. And if you quit paying them, they remove you. So like I said, I just wanted to shoot this video, kind of show you the importance of having a website and the things a website can do for you. Your website is, again, a digital asset. Without one, it's more of a liability, because when people search on Google, and 75% of America is searching on Google for construction workers, for roofing contractors, for plumbers, for everything. You know, it's not going to show you. It's not going to show you any results here on Facebook, unfortunately. Sometimes, you know, people's not in a situation to be able to get the website built because they don't know who can do it and who's going to do it right. But thankfully, Walter, our paths crossed. And I hope you enjoy this video, buddy, and I hope to hear back from you. Again, I just wanted to kind of showcase this to you today, just to show you a few things that can be done to a website to help increase ranks. Another thing is citations. Like on Yelp, you already have a citation for Yelp. That's your business name, your business address, and your business phone number. That's another thing that you can do by yourself, Walter, is go to Yelp, Yext, White Pages, Yellow Pages, and have your name, address, phone number in there, and it's going to give you more citations to give you strength to this site and get this number up closer to 10K, 15, 20K a month. So, Walter, again, I love talking to you today, man. You was awesome to talk to. I hope you get that case situated with that disgruntled customer that you had. I know how crazy customers can be sometimes, man. You don't deserve that for all the hard work you put in. Anybody digging in 3 foot of stone or gravel, they're going to pay me one way or another. But I know you said you left the materials and everything there, and he's got his money, but it just sucks, man. And I hate that you had to go through that. But feel free to reach back out to me on my email. If not, you've got my phone number. You can give me a shout if you like. I hope to hear from you soon, Walter, buddy. You have a good day.